Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the...
Hey girl, let's get into it. So, have a new unit from AliExpress. The brand is Shine Hair wig. Let's go ahead and get into it. So, it comes in this pink bag right here. And we got some goodies in here as well. So, let's open her up and see what's in here. Alright, so first, let's go with the goodies that we got with our wigs. So, we have a comb. Love this. I love when they send the combs with like the thick rat tail at the end. We got some lashes. These are nice. We got a wig cap. So can never have enough wig caps. Even though I don't personally wear wig caps under my wig unless they're black, because I don't know. I don't like the way the nude looks unless I put like foundation on top, and I'm just not for that. So this unit right here is 24 inches in length. And let's open her up, y'all. I'm excited about her. Ooh-wee. All right, baby. So as you can see, she comes already pre-bleached. The knots are already pre-bleached. That's a plus. That's a time saver. And the lace right here is already cut. So off the rip, this is a beginner-friendly wig. So if you are new to wigs, if you are just like, girl, I want to wear a wig. Fall time is coming up, winter time is coming up. I'm tired of rocking my braids for the summertime. You know, I want to switch my style up. I want to do something different. One of these would be great for you because you don't have to worry about cutting no lace. You don't have to worry about bleaching and plucking the knots. It's already done for you. So let's get into her. Packaged really nicely. Oh, curls are really pretty. And we're going to take a look at the inside construction of the unit. This unit is made to be worn glueless. So that's another pro, like another plus to this wig, because you don't have to worry about tacking anything down. You can wear 100% glueless. It doesn't have any clips in the inside. So it's no clips in the inside. You do have your adjustable band, which really helps with the wig fitting on your head and fitting secure. So I like to make my band as tight as possible. So we're gonna go ahead and apply her like, oh, and you get quite a bit of lace. She's nice. She is nice. I'm gonna show you her against my hand right here. So she looks absolutely amazing. And you can see my ring right here, like coming through the lace. Y'all see the pink right there? So this lace is definitely transparent, and we're gonna go ahead and put her on. All right, straight out the box, I did not co-wash or anything. I don't know about y'all, but I don't always co-wash my wigs. It's just, I don't know, just sometimes I just like to take it straight out the box and put it on. It just all depends. But when I tell you just straight out the box and just, like, look how well she just sits. Like, this is a keeper for me. Like, oh my God, she is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I literally don't have to do anything to this unit at all. At all. But just like kind of get my part straight. Y'all, I absolutely love this unit. I don't even want to put anything on the hair like water or curl definer, because I just feel like it looks so good. I don't have to go in with a hot comb or anything. Like, I am absolutely amazed, for real, no lie. So what I am going to do is go around the hairline, because I do have some hair that's like getting stuck underneath, and I'm just going to comb that hair back. I don't even know if I want to mess with baby hairs with this unit. Like, all right, so one thing I am going to do, just because I can tell on camera and right here, the lace right here isn't really matching with my skin complexion. You can tell the line right here. So I am going to go in and just apply a little bit of my face powder to the inside and maybe like to the hairline right here. But I'm going to do the inside first to see what it looks like after I apply a little foundation, just to tint the lace and make it look more my skin complexion. So all you want to do is just take a brush, put it in your powder, or you can get lace tint like the spray, whatever. Let's fix this cap first. Okay, there we go. So I'm just gonna take the powder and I'm just gonna apply it to the inside of the unit. You don't even have to focus so much on the back part because that part is not going to be seen. So you really just want to focus right here on the edge, right here on the edge where it's going to have to match up with your skin. So I'm just going to apply. You can kind of see what it looks like compared to the other side. I did one side already. This is where I applied it. This is where I haven't. If you use a smaller brush and less like a more dense brush, your powder can be a little bit more precise. However, I just grabbed the first thing. I am going to take it right here down like where the part is. But we're going to put it back on and see what she's looking like. So this is what the adjustable strap looks like. It came out when I took the wig off. I just wanted to show you if you've never seen one before. Alright, so that already looked a lot better just after applying. Oh my god, that looks so much better. That looks so much better already. Alright, so I'm going to go in with my bronzer only because I bronze right there at my forehead and it's not going to look right if I do my foundation. So just apply. That looks better already. Alright, so just apply a little bronzer right here, the hairline part. Do y'all see the difference? Can y'all see the difference? I see the difference. Y'all can definitely see that difference. Can't y'all see the difference? I don't know. Just take my word for it. It is a difference if you can't see it. For the sake of the video, I am going to wet it just a little bit just to show you what it looks like wet. Girl, when I tell you this unit right here, baby, she's everything. Everything. You need her. You need her. Hands down, you need her. So beautiful. I didn't have to do, y'all saw I didn't have to do very much to her. I'm gonna show you. 100% glueless. I did not glue anything down. Baby, she is just sitting pretty. Sitting pretty. Sitting nice. Just 100% just glueless. Boom. This lace is soft as well. Really, really soft. Sometimes certain laces make my forehead itchy just because of some laces are like rough or a little bit, you know, less stretchy. It's just a lot of different types of laces, and this one right here, everything. I'm gonna have everything down below in the description box. It's nothing else for me to say, like, other than, baby, you need her.